If you need to reset your password for Bankmed Switzerland, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Visit the Bankmed Switzerland website. Go to the official Bankmed Switzerland website using your preferred web browser. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your information. Provide the required information such as your registered email address or username. Make sure the details are accurate to ensure you receive the reset instructions. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for a password reset link from Bankmed Switzerland. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to access the password reset page. Enter a new password that meets the security requirements, confirm it, and save your changes. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Bankmed Switzerland account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.